Dreaming of becoming a doctor? Study MBBS abroad at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost of studying in India. Admissions, visa to education loans. Good Shepherd handles it all. Start your medical journey today. Visit Good Shepherd, Shillong.
Ya kajia tho Uwei nagi basa Dung sa mat daki Tiar banam ubadang sa sumar han negrams baki dan Haduh nrungot ki ba Rahbor yu bat arngot ki paralok jo u hakamet jong arfo hundre tere naitung ar hajar arfun rio hakba Uwei naki lalap ya kamet yap jo u na mau ka siang haga step jong arfo nyo tere naitung ar hajar arfun rio but Uwei pat lalap na mau tawar Kibor Pulit ke East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek's im habakran sikilat patay kubor hakapor jan miet ulaong bayakani ka benta andang Tohkit Shu uba Vivek's im ulaong bautiu bala sa Dung bat mensaw lalap na jan ka kerdop BSF balara ya u senigrams dagi bor sipai nalor Uwei bala yap hakaba ya kamet yap lalap na mau kasiang hapedeng kidak sa Dung sa mat kabal laki laka Dak bapentep baya kamet yap lara senigrams ban le ika postmortem balada ban register mukadama uba Vivek ulaong bagajing Tohkit kalaya cekman ulaong ru yau bala lap na mau tawar lalap hakapor minmit ringkat kajing mensaw Habakali pentikana kat ngut kidan gi Rahbor gi laingot uba Vivek's im ulaong bompat nang banong bat kajing Tohkit kadang yat.
There was one person who was stabbed and he was found near the gate of BSF battalion and the BSF personnel took him to Nigrams for treatment. Then there was he's undergoing treatment right now and there was another report in the morning that of one body which was found in Mokasiang. He has multiple stab injuries. The body has been taken to Nigrams for postmortem examination. We are registering a case on this matter and investigation will commence. There was another person who was in the same group who was he was found in Mautawar also at night and with injuries on his person. So he has also been hospitalized and so it appears that these three people were together. Bigi ki ang was tangshana kumi jong yo jintip pas tangshana penthor te nangta kadon kating jing sha Rahbor nangta ter Haduh napoi hakraw muksiang te kini armut ki opet ne ki la sha thombor pan ki yo apalai la dia ne kita ki beri bapat bor kan ba u shanbor rani pada u la sha Dung te udan multiple body injuries te u la sha Nigrams kamok Nigrams pan kin le ka postmortem hak te hospital te akani la register ka case pat ka Tohkit la ya shpra
Kani ke jing sa pun jumu tu kadan ke dan kata kata kun ke jumu bat kun ke jing
nim nang ong bakhadan ka ji khun ne em tama ubri wo la dan multiple injuries to te mod kai long shir khai ka jing Dung yo but ngin hapet kai ko de cylinder jong kani ka daw jong kani ka kam la ka long wa kadon giji ashun kadon kata ka revenge killing kadon kata ka jingya kajia halor ka kanu ka jingya theory dia khamtam nge pe jana ka drug angle ba kini ki nong khai drugs ko ngi ate te ya kata ngin hap Tohkit ni api ban petikana menu badan ki kita ki brio atma ngitip ba kin khambun bagi dan laingot kini la de ban khambun ni kata bin ki laingot hadin la Tohkit ni la salap kai ga jinsha kan ngut ki dan ki kita ki brio no I cannot give the names of the injured because for reasons for security reasons kali dakam bakla na try inap kali ki recover nga try na jan pio hi recover kali
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop plus F
Ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar bam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.